Hello friends, I'm back with a new video, this time about machine vision. And in this video, I'm going to explain about machine vision and we will have some demo. So what is machine vision? It's type of technology that enables the computing devices to inspect, evaluate and identify moving images. So using machine vision, it allows your system to reduce human involvement in a variety of processes. Use case and application of machine vision: object detection, parts counting, identifying defect, traceability, automate manufacturing process, and many more. So now let's go to the demo. So you are just giving gesture what to do. Like if you want to draw something with your hand, you can do it. So what this app is doing, it will just capture the image constantly and tracking your hand gestures, and according to that it will draw or erase as per selected command. So we have 4 commands within the app. You can see the one is the blue brush, the second one is yellow brush, red brush and eraser. So first I will select the blue brush and will draw using the finger. Alright, let's start. This is drawing. You can see the camera is capturing my hands, fingers, and from that it is deciding what to do on the screen. Now here it will do nothing. Let's see, if I want to draw a line using the yellow brush, I have to select the yellow brush and I come back down and I will draw something. Alright, oh, this is not good. I have to come. See? Alright. Alright. You can see. So this is the example of machine vision and computer vision using the camera and Python. And you have seen that I haven't used any mouse, keyboard or anything, so you can track the things. So the application of this sort of computer vision and machine vision is you can do anything with your camera and control your devices. You can using hand gesture and camera, you can control devices, you can do a command, you can play a song or whatever based on your application.